1st of March 1899 and located at the very end of a road called Bukit Nanas, was placed a school called SMK Convent Bukit Nanas. Known to be the first school to be distinguished as a cluster school of excellence by the Malaysian Ministry of Education, a school filled with more than 800 students who are amazingly talented in their own fields, along with more than 60 teachers. As you can see by the sketch, our vertical garden is going to be in this size. We chose this specific size because it is ideal for our school. This project of ours prioritizes recyclable items. As this is an eco-friendly competition, we are going to use bamboo as the frame and the base of our structure. Bamboos are natural, composite material with a high strength to weight ratio useful for structures. Furthermore, this bamboo frame is going to be filled with gardening soil. Both sides of the frame will be covered with wire mesh, which prevents soil from getting out of the frame and also acts as our plant holder. Lastly, a simple touch of a mirror will be placed in the middle of the vertical garden. Next, we are going to talk about the self-watering system that we decided. The self-watering system consists of a water pump and some PVC pipes. 2 PVC pipes will be drilled with a sufficient amount of house that will be placed inside the bamboo frame vertically with a space between them. The pipes then will be closed using a PVC end cap at both ends. A pipe will be on top of the frame and it will be connected to the pipes inside the frame as shown. Later, another long pipe will be connecting with the water pump and the one at the top of the frame. These pipes will be the waterway for the self-watering system. The water pump will be installed near a water source and will be pump pressured water through pipes and water the plants automatically. Plus, the holes made on the pipes in the frame is how the water gets out of the pipe. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to present to you Project Talia. We would like to extend our hearts and say thank you to Mr. DIY and Universiti Malaya for giving SMK Convent Bukit Nanas the opportunity to take part in this competition. Thank you.